If you're ready to start an LLC in New York, you are in the right place. I've personally set up an LLC in New York, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can do it yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to form your New York LLC, get your EIN number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. I'll cover the real cost, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. I'm gonna keep this practical and straightforward, so let's dive right in. But first, let's talk about why you would choose New York for your LLC in the first place. And it's the best option if you're a resident and you live in the state, as generally New York is one of the higher tax states. However, New York has a strong business infrastructure and is home to major financial centers like Wall Street, making it an excellent location for businesses that need access to capital markets, investors, and professional services. Though New York does have state income tax that ranges from 4 to 11%, and as an LLC owner, you'll pay this on your share of the business profits. And also, New York has strict compliance requirements, especially with annual filings. Miss the deadline and you can face some hefty penalties, which we'll cover later in the video. So while New York isn't the cheapest state to form an LLC in, if you're a resident here or your business operates primarily in New York, it makes the most sense to form your LLC in this state. Now, before we jump into the formation process, let me quickly show you what an LLC is. A limited liability company or LLC combines the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues, and it's one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. And now here's something that trips up a lot of people. You need a registered agent for your New York LLC. A registered agent is basically your official representative who receives legal documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent needs to have a physical address in the state and needs to be available during business hours by New York law. Now technically, you could register your LLC on your home address. But when doing this information gets put on a public record. And you can look up your LLC and see your personal address. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. That's why I recommend always using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keeps you compliant with the state rules. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that with Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally, they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the whole process really straightforward. Now to follow along, you can click the link down in the description, or you can type in buyhassle.com/Northwest. This will bring you to the homepage and will save you over $200 in filing fees. From here, we can simply click on Let's Get You Started, and it will bring us to the page from where we can form our company. Now first you see the options for different business types. We want to click on LLC since that is what we're forming today. The next up, we want to select the state, and obviously we're selecting New York, so I'm going to type in New York and then right here select it. Then you'll see the pricing at the right. It will show the basic package of Northwest of $39. Then the New York processing fee is $205, and then the total for now is $244. And without the discount in total, this would be over $400, so it's saving you a nice bit of money. Then we can click continue, and this is where we can fill in the actual information of our business. Now for the name, we need to make sure that our business name ends with limited liability company or LLC. So for this video, I'm gonna go with something like VectorTube and then LLC. For the second question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. For most people, this is not relevant. I'll leave this on no. And then we get to the addresses. The physical address, we want to be on record with the state, and also the mailing address. Now here, I highly recommend using both the registered agent addresses of Northwest. This keeps your personal address private and off the public records. Northwest will handle this automatically if you're using their service. Then we can go to management. This is where we can select member managed or manager managed. I recommend keeping it member managed, especially if you're the only owner of the LLC. Then you can fill in your name right here, first name and last name, and also here select the registered agent address of Northwest. If you have a multi-member LLC, you can add the other members right here as well. Then we have the contact information. This is your personal contact details, but it will be kept private. Then next we have the contact information. This is your personal contact details, and they will be kept private. These are just for Northwest to communicate with you during the process and to complete the purchase. Then we can go over to the business identity, and here we have some optional items that we don't necessarily need. They will offer things like a website, email address, and phone number, and this isn't free. This is a trial. You can also get this somewhere else. I would recommend unticking this box. But then when we continue to the actual optional items right here, we have a couple options. And the first option that is required is the tax ID or EIN number. When we click on this, you can see a federal tax ID number, also known as EIN, employer identification number, is required to do basically anything with your LLC. You need this to open a business bank account, file taxes, and anything related with your LLC operation. Now, you could get an EIN yourself directly from the IRS, but it's a hassle and can take weeks to get. Northwest can handle this for just $50 and they'll get it done much faster. So for the time saving alone, I recommend letting them handle it. The other options right here down are not required usually. DBA trade name filing, premium mail service, not required. However, what is unique to the state of New York is the publication service, and we can read about it right here. And this right here is a very unique rule. In New York, LLCs are required to publish notice in 2 newspapers for 6 consecutive weeks in the county where the LLC was formed. Now, you could do this yourself manually, but you can also let Northwest do it for about $375, which is quite a big investment, but it is worth it. I'll talk about this requirement a little later in the video as well, as again, it's quite unique. Then you can go over to the last step and complete the purchase and file your LLC. And talking about the pricing, let's actually cover this. So first of all, for the initial formation, the New York State filing fee is $205. The Northwest filing fee is $39 and the EIN service $50. So for the initial formation, it's going to be a total of $294 for these services alone. However, there are more costs involved. The ongoing annual costs are as follows. So we have the New York newspaper notice that I talked about before in Northwest, and New York requires you to publish a notice of your LLC formation in 2 newspapers for 6 consecutive weeks. Now this depends on the country. On some of them it can be $200 to some of them being over $2,000, for example if you're in Manhattan. Besides that, we have the biennial statement fee as well of $9 and the Northwest registered agent fee of $125 per year to keep your LLC alive. So just for simplicity, you could take the service of Northwest for $375 for the New York newspaper notice. You could also do this yourself, but this price range is going to be quite accurate. So just for saving time again, I would recommend letting Northwest do that as well. Then let's go over to the timeline and documents you will receive. An LLC formation in New York is quite fast. It's between 4 to 10 business days. The EIN processing takes a little longer, of 1 to 2 weeks when using Northwest to do that. Then once the company has been formed, this is where you get access to. You get access to your company dashboard inside Northwest, from where you can manage your company info, filings and documents. You will get your articles of organization, which is basically official proof that your LLC is legally formed in the state. And once everything is approved, you get access to Northwest dashboard, from where you can download everything, manage your company information, filings and documents. You will receive your articles of organization, which is the official proof your LLC is legally formed in the state. You'll be assigned your own registered agent address from Northwest in New York, and you'll receive your EIN number, which will be your business tax ID used for all your LLC operations and communicating with tax authorities. And the LLC branding, this will be the name from where you will operate in, is basically your official business identity. And let's also talk about taxation, because this is what a lot of people don't talk about. So first of all, New York LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities. You don't pay any taxes at the business level. However, New York does have state income tax that ranges from 4 to 10.9% depending on your income level. So unlike some other states, you will owe New York state income tax on your LLC profits, in addition to federal income tax and self-employment tax. There's also something called the New York City unincorporated business tax of 4%. This can add another 4% on your business income, so it's something to factor into your planning if you're doing business in New York City. Though the good news is that New York allows you to deduct business expenses just like any other state. You can take advantage of federal income tax, and you can take advantage of federal tax deductions for things like home office expenses, business equipment, and professional services. Just make sure you keep good records and consider working with a tax professional, especially in your first year, because New York's tax requirements can be more complex than some other states. Then lastly, let's go over the required annual filings and penalties in the state. Now, first of all, every New York LLC must file a biennial statement every 2 years. This has a $9 fee, so very low, and you file through the New York's e-statements filing system. And if you miss this deadline, the LLC will be dissolved. And I've really seen people lose their LLCs because they forgot about this filing. And the other thing to remember is again the newspaper publication requirement. You have 120 days from when your LLC is approved to complete the newspaper publication. If you don't do this, your LLC technically isn't in full compliance with New York law, law, which could cause problems down the road. Alright, so let's wrap it up. New York is a solid choice for LLC formation if you're a resident or doing business in this state with strong legal protection and excellent business infrastructure. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant with all the state requirements. I've left all the resources and links down below in the description, including that Northwest link that saves you money on the formation process. If you have any questions about forming your New York LLC, drop them down below in the comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.